The Bugatti Chiron is not just a supercar, it is an engineering marvel that pushes the boundaries of automotive performance, aerodynamics and luxury. As the successor to the iconic Bugatti Veyron, the Chiron takes hypercar engineering to unprecedented levels with its revolutionary powertrain, advanced materials and cutting-edge technology. Every aspect of the Chiron, from its quad-turbocharged W16 engine to its highly sophisticated aerodynamic design, demonstrates the pinnacle of automotive innovation. In this video, we delve into the key engineering feats that make the Bugatti Chiron one of the most advanced and breathtaking cars ever built. At the core of the Bugatti Chiron is its 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, a masterpiece of internal combustion engineering. This engine produces a staggering 1,479 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque. That's equivalent to over 10 Honda Civics, weighing only over 50% more than one Honda Civic. This insane weight-to-power ratio allows the Chiron to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour or 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 2.4 seconds. And achieve a governed top speed of 260 miles per hour or 420 kilometers per hour, with the capability to go beyond 300 miles per hour or 482 kilometers per hour in special configurations. The W16 engine is essentially two narrow-angle V8s fused together, forming a unique and compact layout. The 4 turbochargers are arranged in a sequential configuration, meaning that at lower RPMs, only 2 turbochargers are active, reducing turbo lag and improving drivability. As the revs increase, all 4 turbos engage, unleashing the full power of the engine. This advanced turbocharging strategy ensures seamless power delivery and maximum efficiency. All of this makes the Bugatti an insanely gas-hungry car, meaning if you were to drive it flat out, the Chiron would drain its 100-liter or 26.4-gallon fuel tank in just 9 minutes. To withstand the immense forces generated by this powerhouse, Bugatti engineers utilized forged aluminum pistons, titanium connecting rods, and high-strength steel components. The cooling system is another marvel in itself, with 10 radiators working to dissipate the enormous heat produced by the engine. This includes a 3-stage water pump that circulates over 37 liters of coolant, ensuring optimal thermal management even under extreme conditions. But you see, giving a car that much power is pretty much useless without the right balance, for both traction under acceleration and handling while at high speeds. That's why one of the greatest challenges in designing the Bugatti Chiron was balancing aerodynamic efficiency with high-speed stability. At speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour, even minor aerodynamic inefficiencies can lead to instability. Bugatti engineers meticulously designed the Chiron's bodywork to generate optimal downforce while minimizing drag. A standout feature is the active rear wing, which adjusts its position dynamically based on the car's speed and driving mode. At lower speeds, the wing reacts to reduce drag, while at high speeds, it extends to provide additional downforce. In top speed mode, the wing adopts a low drag position to help the car achieve its maximum velocity. Additionally, the fully flat underbody channels airflow efficiently, reducing turbulence and further enhancing stability. The front of the Chiron features massive air intakes that not only cool the engine but also guide airflow around the car for improved aerodynamics. Bugatti employed extensive computational fluid dynamics simulations and wind tunnel testing to perfect every curve and vent of the car, ensuring that it remains planted to the ground at extreme speeds. Another critical component of the Chiron's aerodynamics is its air curtains. Located near the front wheels, these direct airflow smoothly along the side of the car, minimizing turbulence and increasing overall aerodynamic efficiency. This feature is essential for maintaining stability at high speeds while also contributing to better fuel efficiency. So far, we've discussed the engine and the aerodynamics of the car, and as you have noticed, a pattern is emerging, in which the engineers at Bugatti not only design highly specialized parts, but sometimes these parts serve a double purpose, such as the air intakes, cooling and guiding airflow, which allows for insane weight reduction and thus better performance. Power means nothing without control, and Bugatti engineered the Chiron's all-wheel drive system to provide exceptional traction and handling. The system is electronically controlled, dynamically distributing power between the front and the rear axles, maximizing grip in various driving conditions. This ensures that the Chiron remains stable even under full throttle acceleration. The suspension system is another area of innovation, featuring adaptive dampers and electronically controlled ride height adjustment. The Chiron can modify its suspension characteristics in real time. In handling mode, the suspension stiffens for improved cornering stability, while in top speed mode, it lowers the car closer to the ground to minimize aerodynamic drag. The Chiron also boasts carbon ceramic brakes, with 8-piston calipers at the front and 6-piston calipers at the rear. These massive brakes are necessary to bring the car to a stop from extreme speeds, and are a first of a kind, being designed with the help of AI and 3D printed with a new titanium 3D printing technology. We made a video on that. If you are interested in learning more about the design of these brake calipers, make sure to go watch it after this video. It'll be linked down in the description. Additionally, the air brake function engages the rear wing as an additional braking aid, providing extra downforce and reducing stopping distances dramatically. This technology can also be seen in Formula One cars. The tires used on the Chiron are another engineering marvel. Developed specifically by Michelin, these high-speed rated tires are designed to withstand the extreme forces encountered at speeds exceeding 250 miles per hour. The rear tires in particular are wider than those on most race cars, providing the necessary grip to handle the immense power of the W16 engine. Weight is the enemy of performance, and Bugatti engineers went to great lengths to keep the Chiron's weight as low as possible, without compromising safety or luxury. The chassis is built from a carbon fiber monocoque, providing exceptional rigidity while remaining lightweight. The body panels are also made from carbon fiber composites, further reducing weight while maintaining durability. The wheels are crafted from forged aluminum, and the interior features titanium, magnesium, and high-grade leather, all carefully selected to balance luxury and performance. Even the exhaust system is made from Inconel, a superalloy used in aerospace applications due to its high heat resistance and strength. This attention to materials ensures that the Chiron remains as lightweight and agile as possible. Inside the cabin, Bugatti integrates high-end materials without adding unnecessary weight. The instrument cluster features a digital display with titanium bezels, and the steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara for enhanced grip. Even the buttons and the switches are crafted from anodized aluminum, reinforcing the Chiron's blend of luxury and performance. The Bugatti Chiron is more than just a car. It is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering excellence. Every component, from its quad-turbocharged W16 engine to its meticulously designed aerodynamics and advanced materials, represent the cutting edge of automotive technology. The Chiron is a vehicle that defies conventional limits, blending raw power with elegance, precision, and innovation. It stands as a symbol of what's possible when engineering and artistry converge, solidifying its place in history as one of the greatest hypercars ever created. The engineering behind the Bugatti Chiron serves as an inspiration for future automotive developments, proving that even in an era shifting towards electric mobility, the internal combustion engine can still achieve unimaginable feats. With limited production and a hefty price tag, the Chiron remains an exclusive machine, accessible only to a select few. However, its impact on the automotive world will be felt for generations, cementing its legacy as a true masterpiece of modern engineering. So what do you think? If you want to learn about the Chiron successor, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.